Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's that time of year again, sprinkler blower. Alright. You could go. And I'll see you on the other side. It'd be cool.
No worries.
Bet you they drop this area down to 45 once we get more.
Yeah, they start building houses out here.
Because there's no way you can have 50 and have people coming off.
No. No, I agree with you.
Got these? You good?
Yep. No. Interesting.
I think I thought that car was going to go. Whoa, okay. That was not me.
I promise you, officer, I haven't been drinking. I've just been using full self-driving. Jesus.
Boy, it's touchy today.
It's bitchy. It's the best way we can describe it. It's update weekend, it feels like.
Okay, so I think once I go there, then I can...
You probably can delete it now.
I delete now?
Yeah.
Okay. Trip. I mean...
It work?
No, it wants to turn around.
Oh, F. Just keep manually driving through here, and we'll just let it just eventually figure itself out.
Yeah.
Just keep manually driving.
There it goes. Okay. We're good now.
Deleted it too soon. Sorry.
You're okay. Easy fix. Yep, it's gonna take us down Bermuda.
That's fine.
Or Riata, excuse me. No one panic.
Get there eventually.
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh, when we get this edited, I want to go back and look at their yard of skeleton.
Oh, yeah, the house there?
Yeah. So that's the nice thing is even when you're messing with the navigation, you know it's not going to hit the car in front of you, so you can take an extra minute to look at the screen and say, oh yeah.
Yeah.
I need to fix X, Y, and Z. Speed okay?
Yeah, oh yeah. I keep over there. Do what you gotta do.
Going straight. Got him?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that's the squirrely stuff that we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Like, am I gonna go left here? Am I gonna go right off of the edge?
Sometimes.
Who knows what I'm going to do? Because I'm crazy.
I have a mind of my own.
It's a beautiful area for a drive.
Mm-hmm.
All the trees. I know I say that every time we come out here, but it's true.
It'd be fun to do this over the years.
See how much it changes.
Yeah.
It's only got a few more weeks of being able to do this.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, of actually FSD driving itself, yeah.
I
Before
think
the
it'll
snow
be
comes.
well, I think it'd be interesting to see it the hybrid driving of like how does it do?
Yeah.
Plus it'll make for some really pretty footage.
I mean, if the roads are bare and
That's
there's a
what I'm
snowy
saying.
edge, yeah, that's
Yeah.
one thing. But I'm talking about if there's actual snow. on the
No,
ground. I'm
God,
not
no.
driving your car in the snow.
No, God no.
Hell
We're like
no.
heavy rain. Yeah, no.
Oh, hell no, I'm not driving your car in the snow.
No, that's what I'm yeah.
That's what our ager is for.
Yeah, that's what the Model 3 is for.
Sunday we'll have a Cybertruck.
It will be nice.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I go a little slower if you need me to.
No, I'm fine.
Oh, that's a gorgeous tree. It's like half orange, half red. It's
Oh, yeah.
green thrown in. Kind of reminded me of the Immigrant Song intro. It's like I just want to be like, ah. Surprised this guy's passing me.
Please just disregard the speed limits, apparently.
We've had quite a few speeders today.
Yeah. 'Tis the holidays, I guess.
That's true. Alright, remember, Mrs. Riley.
You're gonna be in the left lane.
No, I know that. I was talking about at the turn. It is a double lane turn. Remember how I always freak out? I think it's a single lane. And I'm like, oh no, we can't go yet. I'm like, oh yeah, we can. There we go. Excellent. Good stop. Excellent. Alright, good job. Okay, and we're gonna get over it. Excellent. See, it makes all the right choices right up till about.
Right up till about that
Truck.
after the turn.
Yep.
Yeah. Because it needs to just stay right here. It doesn't need to get over. It just stays right here and it goes through that roundabout.
Excellent. Excellent.
Stay here.
You can go, yep. I think because it had the follow vehicle. I don't care. It's
I
still
don't care. It worked. It still counts. Yeah.
Had to give a little gas in the once the follow vehicle abandoned us.
Hey, it worked.
It did. Good job.
It has trouble going the opposite direction though still.
It has trouble going that direction unless we have a follow vehicle.
Yeah.
And what's ironic is that follow vehicle was not going the same direction, but it still was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, it's weird.
Coming up on the left turn. Let's see what. So I think we're good. There you go. Had to give it a little gas, but not bad.
Well, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
I'd like to point out we had a disengagement free drive.
Yeah, we did actually.